Tired of struggling with manual tubing benders? Or don't want to drill holes in your concrete to lock down your existing tubing bender? Well, Eastwood has you covered with our hydraulic conversion kits. Let's take a look at how these kits can transform your bending capabilities. First off, it's important to note that both of these conversion kits utilize our high-capacity manual tubing bender. They are direct bolt-on without drilling or any fabricating. However, these should also work with any other manufacturer using this tubing bender design. We offer two powerful options, the electro-hydraulic conversion kit and the air hydraulic conversion kit. Both kits provide the muscle you need to bend tubing easily. But let's break down the key difference to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. First up, the electro-hydraulic conversion kit. This kit features a powerful electric pump that delivers hydraulic pressure with a quick press of the pedal. It's incredibly convenient and easy to use, perfect for those who want a plug-and-play solution. Simply connect the pump, attach the hydraulic cylinder to your bender, and you're ready to bend. This kit is ideal for any shops with readily available 120 volt power or who don't want to hook up an air supply. It's also a great choice for those who value convenience and ease of use. With its electric pump, you can achieve consistent, repeatable bends without breaking a sweat. Now let's explore the air hydraulic conversion kit. This kit utilizes an air over hydraulic pump, harnessing the power of your existing air compressor. If you already have an air compressor in your shop, this kit offers a cost-effective way to upgrade your bending capabilities. Now both kits provide exceptional bending power and control, allowing you to achieve precise bends in various materials, including steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. You'll be amazed at the ease and accuracy with which you can create complex bends, and the icing on the cake is that we offer the optional hydraulic tubing bend rolling stand. This sturdy stand provides a stable platform for your bender, making it even easier to achieve accurate bends. It features convenient locking casters, allowing you to move your bender around the workspace with ease and then lock it down when you need to start bending. So if you're looking to step up your garage equipment, you need to check out Eastwood's hydraulic conversion kits. Choose the kit that best suits your needs and experience power and precision of hydraulic bending. Don't forget to check out the optional rolling stand for added convenience and stability. Visit eastwood.com today to learn more and order yours.